Ever wondered why the ultra-wealthy choose specific neighborhoods to invest in? Let me give you a hint. It's not just for the views. It's all about strategy. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, we're uncovering a secret behind how the rich use real estate to build wealth and supercharge their networks. If you've ever wondered why the wealthy invest in certain areas, stick around. I promise this will change how you look at real estate. The power of location and networking. Here's the thing. For the rich, location isn't just about proximity to good schools or parks. It's about being around the right people. Living next door to a billionaire or a top-tier entrepreneur isn't just for luxury. It's a networking goldmine. The richest people invest in areas where their neighbors can help elevate their business and personal wealth. These are places where business deals are made casually, and who you know can be just as important as what you know. Building wealth by association. But it's not just about being surrounded by wealthy folks. It's about where the neighborhood is heading. The rich are masters of spotting areas that are about to boom. They invest early, knowing property values will soar as more high net worth individuals flock to the area. It's not magic. It's strategy. When wealthy people invest in an up-and-coming neighborhood, they're securing their financial future and helping shape the neighborhood's destiny. Social and financial perks of high-end real estate. Living in these exclusive areas opens doors to more than just luxury. It's about exclusive opportunities. Think about it, at private galas, business mixes, or even casual gatherings, the next big deal could be right next door. Rich people buy real estate because it's not just about luxury living. It's about expanding their business networks. How can you leverage this strategy? I know what you're thinking. This sounds great for billionaires, but how does it apply to me? Simple. You don't need millions to start thinking like the wealthy. Start by surrounding yourself with people who want to grow. Invest in neighborhoods where the value is set to rise, and get involved with the community. It's all about positioning yourself where growth is happening. Even if you're starting small, making these smart moves today can pay off big in the future. So, what do you think? Is real estate just about owning a home, or could it be a secret weapon for networking and wealth building? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear from you. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. I've got more content coming that's going to level up your wealth game. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video with more tips for building your financial empire.